At least 10 Palestinians were killed and 55 injured on Friday as Israel launched airstrikes on military targets of the Palestinian Islamic Jihad, an Islamist organization active in the Gaza Strip. The victims include a child and an armed group commander. At least 6 of the injured were in critical condition. The Israeli military said the Israeli airstrikes, dubbed the Breaking Dawn operation, targeted 10 terrorist operatives of the PIJ in Gaza. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas' Fatah party said that the Israeli bombing of Gaza and the targeting and intimidation of defenseless civilians is a new crime added to the crimes committed by Israel against the Palestinian people. The Israeli military said that over 100 rockets were fired from Gaza into Israel on Friday evening, but are intercepted by the Iron Dome defense system. Hundreds of Gazans on Friday participated in the funeral of 10 Palestinians who were killed by the airstrikes. Israeli Prime Minister Yair Lapid on Friday threatened further military action against the Gaza Strip following airstrikes on the Palestinian enclave earlier in the day.